Welcome back, HomeBodies. Thank you so much for coming back for another video. Today's video is going to be a relaxing, stay-at-home mom, just get it all done kind of night. I won't be talking much throughout the video because I really like to relax. Like sometimes the only time I have to think is when I am prepping dinner and cooking and cleaning. So I know that on YouTube is not a lot of spaces like this, but this is that space. Tonight, it's about relaxing and getting it done and clearing our heads. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I just can't stop thinking about you.
But I don't wanna go if you ain't with me. Let's make a home, be all alone. So tell me, baby, where would would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Let's see the sun and have some fun. I'm so tired of living life in gray, babe. And you deserve to see the world from the other. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. Anywhere's home when you're with me. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. Cause I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you, paradise.
Seriously, that last song made me think of my husband, and I could not resist. If you know Mr. Smith, you know, you know how Mr. Smith feel about his Mrs. Smith. So I did want to pop back on and talk about what you see here with the apron, the gloves, and the bucket that I'm washing my dishes in. Over the course of about 8 years and several botched outfits, I have learned that I need an apron and that I need gloves. If you're an abrasive cleaner like myself and you love some bleach in your dishwater, I highly, highly recommend getting the gloves and getting the apron. Trust me, sis, you need it. If you're extra fancy like myself, then sew you one. When I finish sewing mine, y'all'll be the first to see it. But this pro tip that my mother-in-law gave me, that I'm gonna be honest, I thought sis was off her rocker when I was like, baby, you got a whole sink. Why do you have a bucket to wash your dishes in? But sis had some vetted information that I'm gonna share with y'all right now. She was a kitchen manager for many years, and she catered quite as long as she was a kitchen manager. And what she showed me was, when you're consistently cooking and cleaning as you go, you really do dump your dishwater very often. And so it's a lot more efficient and easier to dump one bucket rather than drain a whole sink. And I've been hooked ever since. And why would I not give y'all that information? So do with that what you will. HomeBodies, that concludes our time for today. I pray that you were able to really just focus and put your mind on the things that you are most grateful for, and just appreciate that you have an opportunity to serve in a manner that most people don't even get an opportunity to. I hope that this video has enriched you in some way, and if so, please leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's free, y'all, and follow me so you can stay updated. We're family. Duh.